And welcome back, guys, to another video of Unplugged TV, sunny, hot Australia here. Today is the last day before we go on vacation, which will be tomorrow morning, early morning, 6 o'clock. We are aiming for to leave. And I'm in preparation of preparing, no, let's double up. I'm preparing the car now and I'm currently preparing the car for the trip. So the first thing I'm going to do is have a quick look on a better route planner on what charging stations are available and where to charge on our way up there. It is around 600 kilometer drive from our place to Water at the coast, a little bit north of Bundaberg here in Queensland. This is the first time I'm using a better route planner on this computer here, so it has all the default settings here. Consumption at 110 kilometers, that's a bit over. 140, let's be conservative, 150 watt hours per kilometers at 110. Reference speed is 100%, maximum speed is 100. I will charge the Teslander to 100% tomorrow morning for the very first time. Not that we need this, but I just want to do it. Charger arrival 20%, goal arrival time at destination 20%. We can set more, outside temperature 20 degrees. This must be for the northern hemisphere, huh? Jeez, 35. Not sure about the wind. It will be dry, definitely. Battery degradation, I don't know what that. I don't think this is probably more like 1% or so, even maybe less. Time to open charge port, 5 minutes. This is for calculating the charging time. I'll leave it for 5 minutes, that's fine. Supercharger, Tesla CCS, level 2 car chargers. And we only want the 50 kilowatts. Why is this not working? 43 is the max, okay, fine. Alright. Height settings. Okay, Water. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. And this is the trip. That's where we are. And there's Water. Brisbane, Sunshine Coast, and then it goes up to the Great Barrier Reef here. Alright, planned trip. Let's see what it does. Yep, that's good. There we go. So we have to set a point, add this as a waypoint. So from our position to Kilcoy and then to Water, plan route. There we go. Alright, this is the route it wants me to go. So first we're going over Kilcoy, Caboolture, Colantra, Cooroy. There's a charger here which it will bypass in this scenario, and there's another charger here at Maripra, I think it is. Yep, it bypasses it and then it goes to Childers. And in Childers we will have a 24-minute stop to charge to 51% from 26. And then we go via Bundaberg to Water here at the coast and will arrive with 20%. Total kilometers 578, and it takes us about 7 hours to drive there. Average consumption 135 watt hours per kilometers on this trip. Okay, this is possible because we will arrive in Childers with 26%. What I would like to do is, though, I would like to stop in Cooroy for the very first time, because if the charger in Childers or Maripra are not working, we are screwed, right? So you don't want to take the chance, you want to charge early, just to top up for 10 minutes or so, drink something, stretch your legs, and then keep driving. So I'm clicking on add this charger as a waypoint. Yes, please. Okay, we're going from Kilcoy, Kuroi and then Agnes Water, and I probably would like to stop at Childers 2, so we will add this charger as a waypoint as well. Yeah, so we've got these two chargers now, and plan our route again, just to be safe, you know. See, the travel time is only about 15 minutes longer over the whole day. It doesn't make a big difference. But look at these numbers. We are arriving at the Kuroi charger with 61%. In case this one is faulty, I can go... Yeah, and now that. I can go further up and charge in Maribor. And if this one doesn't work, I can also go to Childers. Well, it's very unlikely that both chargers are out of order. This chance is very, very unlikely. And then we arrive with 45% state of charge in Childers and need to charge only for 6 minutes over there to 51%. It makes sure you arrive with 20% at your destination, but if we arrive with 50% at the destination, that's fine too, because we can easily just charge here for about 10-15 minutes too and charge up to about 50 or 60%, and then we have no problem reaching the destination. So this is the plan for tomorrow. Going inland around Wivenhoe Dam, over Kilcoy, and then do the first stop in Kuroi. There's a 50 kilowatt DC charger there. Skip the one in Maribor, go up to Childers, charge there for another couple of minutes, and then drive either via Bundaberg, or we can go up the highway and charge again in Miriam Vale. That would be another possibility depending if the chargers are working or not. So no problem here at all. And as you can see here, Rockhampton, and then there are more chargers up the coast until Mackay, Townsville, and it just keeps going until Cairns. 50 kilowatt DC fast chargers. This is the Queensland electric super highway they put in place. All 50 kilowatt chargers along the coast up to Cairns. No problem at all. Okay, so this is the plan for tomorrow. I don't know what the neighbor is doing with his two-stroke thingy there, but there's no grass, so why would you snipper? Well, anyways, I have received a box from I don't want to show you, the United States of America. I don't want to show you more about this. I'll take the whole box with me to the holiday destination and show you over there. Well, this company got in touch with me due to my YouTube channel and wanted me to test their products here and maybe make a review. So I said, yep, send this stuff over and I'm happy to have a look. Here's the box. Of course we will take the UMC with us. 15 amp adapter, 10 amp adapter is mounted, 16 amp adapter just in case, and we have the Type 2, Type 2 Australian socket Tesla Anywhere adapter. Because I don't have a Type 2 cable, that's why I use this adapter. It's not as fast, but in an emergency I don't really care. I just plug this one into a Type 2 station and I can charge on 12 amp, maybe 15 amp. And it's better than nothing. Thank you very much. See you later. So I got myself a little compressor here, 12 volt, plugs into the cigarette lighter, and then you can pump up your tire in case you have a puncture. And that's why I got the tire repair kit, just in case we have a puncture, because the Model 3 has no spare wheel, of course, and I don't have any possibility to fix the tire without this accessory. 15 bucks, 12 bucks. So, peace of mind, at least. Meter. Don't forget the meter, Andy. Okay, car wash stuff, secret package, compressor, tire repair kit, 10 meter 10 amp, 10 meter 15 amp, the 15 to 10 amp adapter. What else do we need? There's heaps of space still in here. I have checked the tire pressure, 41 psi on all 4 tires. I've got the repair kit here. I don't want to think about the washer fluid. This is the blue gooey stuff they have in there still. I don't want to use this at all. No, don't want to. So guys, we will continue packing tomorrow morning. I've got everything prepared so far, but we've got little bits and pieces still which we need in the house, so we cannot finish packing the car tonight. It will be an early morning. We will get up at about 5, I guess, and then pack everything in the car and then leave here at 7. That's the plan, at least. Usually we are half an hour later. And it is only 200 kilometers to Kuroi, to the DC fast charger, and then another 190 kilometers to Childers, to the next charger. So I won't charge to 100% tonight. It's not necessary. I charge to 90%, and it's only 200 kilometers. This is half the battery only. So yeah, why should I charge to 100%? It's just not good for the battery, you know. So we don't do it. Charging on 8 amp. It's 10 o'clock now. Alright, schedule. Okay, so we start at 12 AM. I'll leave it on 12 amps because the power is currently off due to the heat. Everyone is running their air cons. And I don't know when the power turns on, when we can recharge the car. It's only 75. It's only 15%, so it shouldn't take too long, maybe 3-4 hours or so. But if I start at midnight, there's definitely power at midnight. Yeah, I would guess so. If not, it will be still alright. We've got 285 kilometers and it's only 200 kilometers to Kuroi, so it will be still okay, even if the charge doesn't start. Totally fine. We'll leave it like this. Midnight start on 12 amp, and then we will be finished by 7 o'clock in the morning when we leave. Alright. That's the plan.